Hello guys, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I have come up with a party makeup look. Actually, I was getting ready for a party, so thought to share that makeup look with you guys. And in which party I was going to attend? The party in my imagination, where I was the only host and the only guest. কোনো পার্টি টার্টি নেই, সেজেগুজে ঘরেই বসে থাকবো. But if you do like that makeup look, please keep on watching. So I have already prepped my skin half an hour ago, but now feeling a little bit dry, so applied a face serum again for an extra hydration and massaging it into the skin well. Now applying a matte primer from Rimmel London. It actually controls any extra shine or oiliness of your skin and provides a matte finish all day long. Next, I will be applying my recent favorite foundation from Nykaa Cosmetics. This foundation neither makes you feel dry nor oily, rather it gives a hydrating and skin-like finish, which is absolutely perfect for a combination skin like me. And by the way, as always, the shade details are given in the description box. Please do check them out from there. Nowadays my lips are getting so dry, and patchy at the same time, especially after the foundation application. So recently I have started using this NAMYAA lip plumping serum, as I have heard a lot about this recently, because it not only moisturizes the lips, it also helps to plump your lips, and it has the ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, so it actually makes your lips feel very hydrating. The texture is very lightweight and non-greasy, and most importantly, the application is very easy. Just take a little bit of the serum on your finger and apply it on your lips in a circular motion, just like any lip balm, and keep it at least for overnight, and in a week you will get to see the result. So if you want fuller, plumper, soft and pink lips naturally, do try this product out. It's budget friendly also, so you can definitely try it out, guys. And all the NAMYAA products are free from sulfate, paraben, dangerous chemicals, harsh metals, artificial colors or any fragrance, so it actually helps to enhance the natural moisturization of the lips. This is an exclusive lip treatment serum, so you will get a super plumping lips just sitting at home. So please do check it out. I have put down the link in my description box. Go check out right now. So now I will be highlighting my face, and for that I have used the Conceal and Correct palette from Inside Cosmetics. This concealer is very creamy in texture, so it doesn't make you feel dry, especially during that winter season. It doesn't crease and it is a very long lasting, so it is my recent favorite from drugstore brands right now. Now to set my concealer, I will be using that loose powder from Inside Cosmetics. I won't be using too much product, rather I will be applying it wherever I have just applied the concealer, and that's it. Next, to contour my face, I will be using that highlight and contour palette from K Beauty, and will be contouring my cheekbones, forehead, jawlines, nose and under my lower lips. That's it. And now I will be applying the blush, and that is from M.A.C Cosmetics, and just will be applying on the apples of my cheeks and cheekbones. That's it. And then to highlight the high points of my face, I will be using that Nykaa highlighter palette. Base makeup is done, and to set my base now, I will be using that setting spray from Glam 21 Cosmetics, and will be applying it all over my face. And then doing my eyebrows off camera as usual to save your time, guys. Now comes the fun part, which is eye makeup. This eye makeup is joler moto soja. Trust me, just apply the black eyeshadow all over your eyelid using a flat brush. Just be careful that it doesn't go above the crease line, and don't blend it, just keep it like that. Rather, take a brown eyeshadow and now blend the edges of the black eyeshadow through the crease line very light-handedly. Just make sure that you do not mess up with the black eyeshadow, okay? And now on top of that black eyeshadow, I apply a black glitter to enhance the eyes. For the waterline, I apply a black kajal. I have used the K-Beauty kajal. And next, taking that brown eyeshadow, smudge the kajal to get a softer look. And for my eyelashes, I have used the mascara from the Balm Cosmetics. And for the lips, I have mixed two shades. One is from NYX and another one is from Flower Beauty. For the shade names, please check out the description box. So what say guys, did you get the party vibe from this look? Let me know that in the comment section. And also please do not forget to like and share this video and keep loving and motivating me like this guys. Honestly can't thank you enough to each and everyone, and whoever is new here, please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update, obviously if you do like my content. And also see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.